If you're looking for a smart projector that's easy to set up and gives you a proper big screen experience, the GooDee AC571 is definitely worth a look. After using it for movies, streaming, and gaming, I found the combination of its 4K support, AI autofocus, and Wi-Fi 6 particularly convenient. I bought this projector from Amazon, and I've put the Amazon link in the description. You can check it there for the cheapest price and any available discount coupon. The first thing I noticed was how easy the setup is. The AI autofocus does the focusing automatically, so you don't have to keep adjusting the lens every time you move the projector. It gets the image sharp really quickly, which is something I genuinely appreciate for everyday use. The picture quality is another big highlight. With 4K support, movies and high-quality streaming content look sharp and detailed on a large screen. Colors look vibrant, and once the room gets darker, the whole experience becomes much more immersive. The 5G Wi-Fi 6 connectivity is also a nice addition. Streaming feels quick and stable, and you can connect Bluetooth headphones or speakers when you want a more personal or powerful audio setup. For gaming, the huge projected image makes racing games, sports titles, and story-driven games particularly fun. It's not something I'd choose over a high-refresh gaming monitor for competitive gaming, but for casual gaming and console sessions, the big screen experience is excellent. I also like the flexibility of the AC571. You can use it in the bedroom, living room, or take it outside for a movie night. The automatic focusing makes moving it around much less annoying than with a traditional projector. Overall, the GooDee AC571 is a really convenient option if you want a big screen setup without making the experience complicated. The TOF AI autofocus, 4K support, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth connectivity make it easy to use, while the large projected image is great for movies and casual gaming. If you're interested in buying it, check the Amazon link in the description for the cheapest available price and discount coupon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.